Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to FNfilm production. This is your host Musa Razim, and we are back another episode of Chatkara. So everybody likes gyro in New York. Who doesn't like, of course, gyro, chicken over rice. But what if you got a little extra? So we are at Crown Chicken today. They have a variety of gyro and a bunch of other food. A peri chicken with a different spice level and everything. So let's check their food out. Okay guys, since I told you I'm here for gyro, even though I love gyro, but I'm not gonna try gyro today because I just found out they have their special menu, which is a peri chicken menu, and they have different spice level. Oh boy, it's extra hot, and they have a medium and the lemon herbs. So we're gonna go with the spicy one. Let's see how it goes, and let's see what else they have in the menu.
So in today's vlog, we're at Crown Chicken, and here we're gonna try their specialty, which is gyro, and which is called peri chicken and flame chicken. So we just ordered our food, so they're gonna bring it out in a couple of moments, and then we're gonna show you the process and how they grill it.
Okay, so we have the food on the table. They have the flaming kebab along with the rice, pita bread, and some salad. In salad they have cucumber, tomato, olives, jalapenos, and pepper and onions. We're gonna go with the kebab first. Oh boy, I can't get this. Okay. Look at this. I can't explain how good is it. The old grilled chicken. Oh boy. You get it right? So that made my day. That made my entire day. I know I'm starving. I've been starving the whole day, and it's worth it at the end. I just love it. Okay, so next we're on to the peri grilled chicken, and as you can see, the whole chicken they grilled it out with the peri spicy sauce. We're gonna go with the chicken first. Oh boy! No way! It can't be that good. No way! I'm gonna go one more. You can You can literally feel the lemon. This oh boy, the spice is enough for me, and you can literally feel the lemon and the barbecue taste in it. So that's now one of my favorite places to hang out. I'm gonna come here whenever I need. When I'm craving for the chicken, I'm gonna come here. Oh boy. Okay, yeah, it's worth starving all day. I had not eaten all day just for this. It's worth starving all day. Perfect taste. I love it so much. As I say, it's gonna be in my next place to hang out whenever I need. But that's not That's not the only the grilled chicken they have. They have the menu for fried chicken as well, and as well as what's called the chicken over rice, gyro, and everything. So if you want to try fried chicken and especially grilled chicken, which I love the most now, this is my favorite thing. So please visit Crown Chicken and check out the new items and everything. And until then, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment whatever you like in the part. And if you want me to try new places and you want me to visit new halal restaurants, comment below and share with your friends. And thank you so much for watching. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.